it's Virona here, and I'm back to talk about my latest trip. This trip was to Anaheim. We primarily wanted to go to Disneyland and Knott's Berry Farm, so that's what I'm going to be talking about today. I did take a lot of clips and videos and pictures, so I want to show you guys. We're in Anaheim. We're going to downtown Disney right now. It's our first day here. So we're just gonna go to downtown Disney and see all the stuff there. I just bought some AA batteries for my Polaroid because we're gonna take some pictures. These are the pictures right here that I ended up taking with that Polaroid. It was so exciting. They looked really good. Here's downtown Disney. We stayed for the fireworks to go off, and it was so beautiful. And we did some shopping. I got some little kitty ears and I really liked them. I was so happy. They were only $10. So after we did that, we went back home and got some rest, and then we headed out the next day to Knott's Berry Farm, and that's what we did on our first day. We went to Knott's Berry Farm. We're heading to Knott's Berry Farm right now. Yesterday we just arrived. Today it's Knott's Berry Farm, and then tomorrow's Disneyland. We're so excited today. It surprisingly wasn't as busy as I thought it would be, and that made me really excited. The wait didn't seem too long. There were a lot of beautiful views, a lot of nice sights, so it went by so fast. And I thought it was really cool how there was the roller coaster. I believe that's the Ghost Rider. They had the biggest roller coasters I've ever been on, so it was cool. I like the adrenaline, and I'm usually really scared, so I was pretty proud of myself for actually going on the all the big rides. Right across the street from the line is the Peanut headquarters. We actually went there later on in the night, and they had some really cute Snoopy stuff. But yeah, I think it's super convenient, and it's cool how it's right across the street from actual Knott's Berry Farm. We're almost, oh yeah, we're almost there. Ooh, I'm excited. You guys excited? As soon as we got in, we just headed straight to the first ride. And here it is, the first ride. It's called Snoopy Rapid Transit, and you basically go under the little waterfall. Just kidding. The tracks you're looking right now are for the Sierra Sidewinder. Honestly, being in the line for all of these rides, it wasn't too bad. It was just the heat that made it bad, so I kept a little spray bottle on me and misted myself off every 5 seconds. It was cool because the bathrooms were really close to the entrance, and there was also another store. There's a lot of shops here, which I really like because I'm a sucker for souvenirs. After we got on a few rides, we went and grabbed a limo, and then we proceeded to get on more rides. Here's a picture of me. I think I was in line for one of these pictures, and I was surprised my eyelashes didn't come off because we were getting on some pretty crazy rides. Speaking of crazy rides, this was one of them. We went on this one directly after having our lemonade. and it honestly kind of made me nauseous. But I like this ride a lot because it made me feel like I was flying. I want to compare this ride to as if I were Spider-Man and I'm just spinning my webs and gliding through the city. It was such an experience. See, right here is one of the quote kid-friendly rides. I was honestly really scared on it though because it felt like unsupported, if that makes sense. Like, I was scared for my life. It didn't feel really dependable, I guess, and the chains on it just reminded me of a regular swing, and I just didn't like this ride at all. This was not my type of ride. Quick moment of appreciation for this cute little Rilakkuma backpack. I was staring at it the whole time I was in line because it's so cute. Anyways, moving on to the serious stuff. Next, we went on the accelerator. This ride is so cute. I love the theme. I love the aesthetic. I love how it's pink and blue, and I love how it looks. It looks so pretty. But don't be fooled, guys. This ride is intense. I cannot express how proud of myself I am for getting on this ride, and I did it so effortlessly. Like, normally I would fight people to not go on this ride. Like, they would have to convince me. Actually, I don't think I would have ever. Like, my past self, I would have never gotten on this ride. So getting on it and conquering that fear, it really made me happy. So this ride is intense. I enjoyed it a lot though. I had my eyes closed the whole time. Majority of the rides I had my eyes closed the whole time on. Crazy, because you could watch the ride start and then do a full loop with your head and move your head fully around, and then just like that the ride would be over. And I just thought it was crazy that such a big ride could be so so quick. After we got some food, this is a pulled pork sandwich. Oh my gosh, I love anything pulled pork. It came with macaroni and cheese and some barbecue sauce we got on the side, and it just hit the spot. Next ride was the moment I was waiting for the whole time. Oh my gosh, I love this ride. Ever since I was little, I always loved this ride. When I was younger, this is the only thing I remember. This ride is a 4-people ride. It's a rafting ride. I don't really remember the name of it, but it's something rafting, something water rafting.
It looks like Sakura.
As you can see, even the wait to get on this ride is an experience. I love the nature. I love the cute little artificial animals. I love everything about it. One thing that I also loved is that we went right when the sun was setting, so it was a really pretty sight. It felt really peaceful. Something that I would have done if I could have would probably be to go on this ride once in the morning so I could cool down while waiting in line on the other rides, because you do get really wet on this ride depending on where you sit. After this ride, it was pretty much dark outside, so I didn't get to record or make any other pictures or anything like that. But we went on the Ghost Rider. Ghost Rider was the one that we saw in the beginning when we were crossing over the bridge, and it's the one that goes really fast. And as you can see here, I was terrified of this ride. One thing about the Ghost Rider is that it's a super long ride, and it also goes really fast. We went on, I don't know the name of it, but it's where your legs are hanging. Actual ride itself was pretty cool. I loved it, and I loved doing it at night because you got to see all of the lights, and it was awesome. And I actually had my eyes open this time to see it. After a long tiring day, we went to Walgreens. We walked there from our hotel, and we got ramen, instant ramen, and Hot Pockets, and we just ate the next day with the Disneyland. And then I took a really long hot shower, and then I knocked out. Day 2 is going to be Disneyland. I think I'm going to cut the video off here, but if you would like to see the Disneyland video, just stay tuned. I'm probably going to come up with it soon, and then I'll let you guys know what we did when we went to Disneyland. So thank you so much for watching and listening. I appreciate you guys a lot, and I hope you enjoyed this little vlog, I guess. Have a great day, guys. I just forgot to mention, I do have a website, travelwithvirona.com. This specific post is what to help out of you, out of theme posts that might be useful if you guys are planning But yeah, that's my website, travelwithvirona.com. I have other travel tips and diaries and stuff like that, so check it out.